Hey guys, my name is Himanshu and I am recording this video somewhere around 12 a.m. because people keep asking me one question: what should I do if I don't like my job? And my answer is you should not do if you are not interested. Rather, you should do something in which you are interested, and you have to think that how can you make money on your interest, right? I'll teach you everything. I'll teach you everything. So there are many people who has the same questions and they don't know what they should do. They are completely frustrated with their job or whatever they are doing, but they don't have answer what should they do because they need a money, right? They need a money. So I'll tell you one thing. Every person has a two environment. One is internal environment and one is external environment. I'll tell you very quickly. I'll tell you very quickly. So what is internal environment? Let's say for example, for me, my internal environment is I am Himanshu Suthar and I'm very cool guy. I'm very calm and I want to become a something different. I don't want to be in a rat race. मुझे वो बनना नहीं है. 100 में से जो 90 लोग होते हैं ना वो मुझे नहीं बनना है. I don't want to be in that beat. मुझे उस बीट का पार्ट नहीं बनना है. I want to be different. I want to be legend. So that is your internal environment. That is your internal environment. Right? From where you gotta answer what you want to become in your life and what you are expecting from your life. That is the internal environment. And you don't like your job or you don't like whatever you are doing because it is not matching to your internal environment. I mean, it is not matching to your internal environment or whatever your internal environment is asking you to do. You are not doing that thing. And that is the problem, right? Now, you have to bring this question, your internal environment question, and you have to put it under external environment. मतलब meaning आपके पास आंसर रेडी है फ्रॉम योर इंटरनल एनवायरनमेंट. यू जस्ट हैव टू आस्क टू योर एक्सटर्नल एनवायरनमेंट, भाई मेरे को ये बनना है, प्लीज टीच मी, please teach me. And that is your external environment, your university, where you will get a professors. University is just a metaphor here. It's just a metaphor. I'll tell you what is the external environment. External environment includes two elements for you. Number one is by which type of people or by which type of mindsets you are surrounded. किस तरह के लोगों से आप सराउंडेड हो एवरी डे टू डे. नंबर टू, रिसोर्स अवेलेबिलिटी. क्या आपके पास वो रिसोर्सेज अवेलेबल है सीखने के लिए, ट्रेनिंग के लिए, जो आप बनना चाहते हो? डू यू हैव लैबोरेटरी अवेलेबल फॉर द एक्सपेरिमेंट? सो दोज लाइक माइंडेड पीपल्स आर प्रोफेसर फॉर यू and the resources, available resources for your practice is a laboratory for you. That is what an external environment for you. But will you get up like-minded people very easily? Say for example you want to be a painter and you are doing a accountant job. क्या आपको मिलेगा जॉब में ऐसा बंदा जो आपके साथ बात करेगा पेंटिंग की? वेरी लेस चांस. नहीं मिलेगा. आई एम श्योर यू वॉन्ट गेट इट इजीली, राइट? यू वॉन्ट गेट इट इजीली. ऑफिस के बाद कहा घर. If no one is interested in painting in your family, will you get a people or similar minded people in your family as well? Very less chance. आपके पास बंदा ही नहीं है कोई जो आपसे बात करे अभी थ्रू आउट द डे अबाउट पेंटिंग. That is the problem. That is the problem. And we are lucky. This generation is very lucky. We are in 21st century. We don't need to go outside to find a like-minded people. It's just a one click away. That is a Google and YouTube. Just write down in YouTube. Want to learn a painting? You will have a lots of videos. You will have a lots of people to teach you in free. Just Google painting books, base painting book. Right? You will get a lots of book from where you can learn many things. Right? Now, if you do, I know in a job, while you are in a job, you cannot YouTube anything. आप वो सब नहीं कर सकते जॉब में, I know, but at least 1 hour 30 minutes you have to give a time to readings or to YouTube, you know, in which you are interested. आपको आपकी इंटरेस्ट के हिसाब से वहां पे सारी नॉलेज गेदर करनी है. दैट इज योर ट्रेनिंग. दैट इज योर ट्रेनिंग, यू नो. एंड डे बाय डे, वंस यू स्टार्ट अ ट्रेनिंग, डे बाय डे इट इज गोइंग टू मैच टू योर इंटरनल एनवायरमेंट. आपका जो इंटरनल एनवायरमेंट पूछ रहा है वो मिल रहा है उसको एक्सटर्नल एनवायरमेंट में. राइट? नाउ you have a training. Now resource availability, I told you, right? Second point is resource availability in an external environment. Right? That's what I told you. तो पेंटर, आपको पेंटर बनना है. सो डू यू हैव अ वाइट बोर्ड? डू यू हैव अ सेटअप रेडी? if you don't have, do you have any place around you where you will have a physical training, और जहाँ पे आपके चांसेस बहुत ज्यादा है सीखने के. If I take a cricket का example here, you will understand what is the resource availability. क्या आपके पास वो कोचिंग है, प्रोफेशनल कोचिंग अवेलेबल है आपके एरिया में? सीजन बॉल पे, अब टेनिस बॉल पे खेल के क्या क्या क्रिकेटर बनोगे? वो गांव में मिलता है, पता है, आई नो. बट यू वांट बिकम अ प्रोफेशनल क्रिकेटर, राइट? लाइक विराट कोहली, सचिन तेंदुलकर. यू हैव टू हैव अ सीजन बॉल ट्रैक. यू हैव टू हैव सच अ कोच. तो वो रिसोर्स अवेलेबिलिटी, वो चीज आपको चाहिएगी इफ यू वांट टू बी अ क्रिकेटर. So you understood what I meant to say, what for the resource availability. So two things are needed as an external environment. Number one is like-minded people. Like in 21st century, it's easy. Books can be your like-minded people. Videos can be your like-minded people. Resources is sometimes not easy, but I know once you start learning with the books, with the YouTube videos, or any material, you will get your answer. Like how can you identify your resources, and your life will be a very easy. Now you have a matching internal environment with your external environment. अब सब कुछ मैचिंग है. Now I don't need to do anything. Even though if you are frustrated with your job, you will find out your way, what you can do and how you can win. Right? So make sure you have matching internal environment with your external environment, and you have to work on it. And this is a part of your mindset, setting up a mindset. If you haven't gone through my video, please go through my videos in this YouTube channel. So that will be really helpful for you. Thank you guys. Bye bye.